Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of January 2022. I'm going to show you where I expect Stellar to go over the next couple of days to weeks. I'm going to give you a price prediction overall as to what I'm noticing on this chart for Stellar. Now, before I break that down, I'm going to break down my last price prediction. So this could be like a teachable moment for us to understand why the price in Stellar did not go up. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Another thing, if you guys want to get the latest price prediction that I do on this channel, you have to come to my channel right here, click on this playlist tabs, go down, scroll down, and go to the applicable cryptocurrency market and see what my current price prediction is. Yes, this is where you can see all of my price predictions, the ones I get right, the ones I get wrong. I'm fully transparent regarding what I'm looking for the market to do, so there's no excuses. I really want to show you all that you can do this for yourself and that you don't have to be dependent on someone else to give you this information to come in and watch, 45 minutes of a video. And in the end, you're no better off because they're talking out of both sides of their mouth, telling you that price can go up, price can also go down. Yet we already understand that it's a market. I want you to show me what is your idea? What is your bias in direction? I mean, are you looking for it to go up? Are you looking for it to go down? I mean, for instance, look at my last price prediction I did in Stellar. Did it go up? No, it didn't. In fact, the price never went up from when I did my price prediction right here on December the 9th. Yeah, it didn't do it. So as a teachable moment, let me show you at what point would you have said something is not right. The market in Stellar is not giving me what my expectations were. This is how you can scathe from having so much losses. You have to understand when the market is not going the way you want it to go and cut the play. Now look at this. So I did a video right here. All right, so let me break this down. December the 9th, 2021 was when I did the video, right? And I was looking for the price in Stellar to go up, right? Now, generally look at the overall environment of Stellar following my price prediction. We really didn't see anything detrimental that will reflect that Stellar was massively weak, right? No, nothing that would insinuate that price is going to go down, except for one thing. Can you see it? What was the issue? What was the visualization that showed you that the price in Stellar is not going to go up? What was it? Because the market actually gave us 3 times to show us that price is not going to go up. Can you see it? Let me show it to you. This was the first time. This was the second time. And then this was the third time. So we had opportunity for price in Stellar to go up. We did. But all 3 of those times, look what happened. Eventually, the market gets tired. It's not like the buyers tried not to move price higher, because they did. They did it on 3 occasions. But every occasion we got rejected right there around that 29-cent price. See, every opportunity that we got that rejection, you should have said, okay, cool. That's the first time. I got it. But then the next time the market is still propped up towards 29 cents, you say, all right, something else is going on. The market is still selling off when it hits 29 cents. And then that third time, do you see it? We still got rejected. That there was the market telling us that you need to cut the play, that the market is not giving us any strength. So we would have cut the play right around this area, right here, the 14th of January, right? This is how you have to read these charts, because you're not going to get every price prediction right. No, you're not. So the ones that you get wrong, this is the ones that you want to minimize the losses for. Because if you were to cut the play right here on the 14th of January, yes, around 10.75% loss, but that's versus what you would be down today. Look at this, 34%. So even though many people say that the market is manipulated, it also gives you information to make more rational decisions, to let you know, hey, I'm trying to show you, I'm trying to give you a heads up that this price is going to go down. And they did that. I just wanted to show you all. So yeah, this one didn't go right. So now let me go ahead and get rid of that. Get rid of this. And now let's do this price analysis in Stellar. Now, We really needed to see the market in Stellar hold that. We really did, right? Right here, I've already identified that on my last video. We needed to see the price in Stellar hold 20 cents. Right now, we're not. Right now, we're trading below it. Now, if we, in the next day or so, if we do see price in Stellar come back above that 20-cent level, then kudos. We understand that the market is now getting some life back. But as of right now, that alone should tell you something, right? That alone should tell you that the market in Stellar may in fact continue to come down. So this is where the market in Stellar came and found support, right there. So let me take this horizontal line up here because the market's no longer trading around 44 cents. So now let me move this down here because I want to see if the market is in a trend though. And it is. You see that? So what we're going to do on this particular video is that we're going to follow the trend. This just shows you how overly bullish Stellar was back here May of last year. This market was massively bullish. The overall trend, we should have seen the market in Stellar trade alongside this trend, but we broke away from it massively. So the overall cryptocurrency space saw a monumental move last year. We are now coming back into a zone of more stability, you know, as a zone of more comfort to where the market is expected to hold this trend. We need to see it. So let me show you what we got on a 3-day. Okay, so you guys can see this. This is why the market in Stellar was able to see increased volume and was able to close off of the lows on this last completed 3-day price bar. But the question is, are you bullish though? Well, to answer that question from my standpoint, no, I'm not bullish. And the reason why I'm not bullish is because the market is not trading above this level right here. Okay. If I saw the market in Stellar trade above 25 cents, I'll be a little bit more bullish. But seeing that price broke that trend, then I'm a little bit more bearish. So this is the area of contention right here. I can already see it. This is where our focus is going to be as we go into 2022. We need to see the buyers come in on this ascending trend, and we need to see the sellers come in around 25 cents. This is where the battle is going to be waged between both market participants, the buyers and the sellers. Buyers need to show up on this ascending line, and the sellers need to show up around 25 cents. Simple. Let me show you the 3 weeks time frame in the market in Stellar, and this is generally where I'm still seeing the weakness, right? On these 3 weekly price bars is where the weakness is being revealed, right there. Okay, and the last one we saw was about three weekly price bars ago. The last 2 3-weekly price bars, you guys can see the market really didn't move, and the market got rejected here, right, which is around 30 cents. This is where the market got rejected. That is why price in Stellar continues to go down. Okay, so all eyes needs to be fixated on this trend, pretty much is what I'm telling you. So it's kind of like a toss in the air though. It could still go either way. But when you see this from a long-term perspective, you begin to see that the market generally in Stellar is massively weak. I mean, 3 weeks consecutively, we've seen the price come down. Yeah, starting in November, price in Stellar has been in a downtrend. So we're not here to adjust it until the market shows us that it's willing to go back up, which is why we're showing you 30 cents is restriction, even 25 cents. Okay. Now, am I looking for the market to massively plummet? No. We have some very close areas of support that we can see into the market in Stellar, right? We do. Okay, so check this out. I still think that the price in Stellar can hold 15 cents though. I do see that. I definitely like what happened on the 13-hour chart. That reflects some strength coming here into the market is stellar right there. So depending on your time preference, if you see this on a smaller time frame, hourly time frame, daily, yeah, this price in stellar can go up. Yeah, we can see that. But to the point to where we might get rejected around 25 cents. Okay. So now, let me see which one seems more applicable, because like I said, I'm only looking for 15 cents for the price in stellar to come down and try to grab some support. So it's like another 23% movement to the downside from where the price is right now. So yeah, I'm gonna hold this here and let's push it back over to the daily, and I want us to follow this market here in stellar. Maybe bring this in closer. So you guys can see what my expectations are. This is my price prediction. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in stellar. I'm playing a little bit of weakness. Yeah, the market is telling me that the overall general weakness is here. So we haven't seen it switch yet. We haven't seen the price flip from the weakness to the buyers yet. So I'm looking for, another leg to the downside, not massive. I can see us taking the profitability around 17.5 cents to 15 cents. So my two price targets will be 17.5. Right? So that's around 8, almost 9%. And then second area is around 15 cents. 14.5 is around 23.5% movement to the downside. All right. So now let me zoom in so you all can see it. Hold it right there. And that's it. Now we'll just let the market trade, and we'll come back and see what price did in relation to my thoughts, so that we don't have to be scared or nervous. Now it's your turn. The comment section is open. Drop your price prediction, your price target into the market for stellar. Where do you think the market is going to go as we go into the months of March, going into the month of March, into the months of April? All right, real quick, let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.